So you might be in this crazy situation where for some reason your Snapchats are just taking way too long to send. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons. There's never just one reason why this happens. But the very first thing I'd recommend doing for the most part is double checking your internet connection and your internet speed of your specific device. If you're like in the middle of nowhere or your Wi-Fi connection is very, very choppy, it can take many, many seconds and or even like minutes sometimes to send one photo of a Snapchat. So the very first thing I recommend doing here is just going through and double checking your Wi-Fi and or internet connection. You can see right here my Wi-Fi connection is pretty good, so I really won't have any issues. But for a majority of people out there, if you are having some sort of weird choppy issues, and a great way to test this is if it's taking too long to send snaps, but also if this video that you're watching right now is taking a long time to load and buffer, that probably means your Wi-Fi is not that good. So just double check your Wi-Fi connection, and that will probably end up fixing the problem for a vast majority of people. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, another thing you can try doing is updating your Snapchat application. So what you can do is you can make your way back into your app store just like this. And what you're going to want to do here is you just want to search up Snapchat. So in this case, I can just search up Snapchat just like this, and I'll be able to find the Snapchat application. And what you're going to want to do right here where it says Snapchat, you're going to want to go and click on update. All you're going to want to do is update this particular version of your Snapchat app. And for a vast majority of people, like I mentioned before, this is probably going to end up fixing the problem, and that's really all you're going to have to do. Now, if that's still not working, the next thing you're probably going to have to do in this specific case is to pretty much go through and see if for some reason Snapchat is down. You can go to websites like downdetector.com or isitdownrightnow.com. Those types of websites will basically show you what servers are up or down. And from there, all you're going to have to do there is to see if Snapchat's on there. If it is, you're just going to have to pretty much wait it out until Snapchat fixes the issue. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.